High above the rushing river, wrapped in mist and silence, stands Machu Picchu. At first glance, it feels unreal, as if the mountain itself decided to become a city. Stone by stone, terrace by terrace, Machu Picchu reveals itself slowly and deliberately. This was not a place meant to be found easily. It was hidden, protected by steep cliffs, dense cloud forest, and distance from the world below. And yet, everything here is intentional. The stones fit together so perfectly, you can't slide a blade between them. No mortar, no excess, just precision. Guided by knowledge we are still trying to understand. As you move deeper into the site, the city begins to speak. These terraces were not just for farming. They stabilized the mountain, controlled water, and fed the people who lived above the clouds. The Incas didn't fight the landscape, they listened to it. Look closer, and the sacred heart of the city emerges. Temples aligned with the sun, windows positioned for solstices, stone carved to mark time itself. For the Incas, the sun was not just light, it was power, order, and life. And here, the sky and earth were carefully brought together. This was a place for ceremony, for ritual, for connection between worlds. Who lived here? Not a bustling city, but a chosen few, priests, nobility, caretakers of knowledge. Machu Picchu may have been a royal estate, or a spiritual retreat, or something else entirely. No written records remain, only questions carved in stone. And that mystery is part of its pull. Every staircase draws you upward. Every doorway frames a view that feels intentional, almost intimate. Even the surrounding mountains were part of the design. Huayna Picchu rising sharply behind the city, the river curling far below like a protective arm, the landscape itself standing guard.